Hi, my name is Alejandra Montero Rincon, tutor Andrés Orlando Blanco. Root creations. Root creation. The creation root is defining how part of a word or the invention of a new morpheme. Also, is the basis of a word. Generally, I can say that is a word, but when examined closely, to be based on existing words or names, but also the new word can represent a song. Root word can be divided into two types that are free root, bound root. Free root. In this word it isn't necessary to add another word or suffixes and prefixes. For example, sounds animals: bow, wow, ba, cuckoo, moo, meow. For example, new root words: crat, rule, crea, creati, nom, nomin, name, onym, name. For example, natural sounds. Twitter, gulps, hiss, sizzle, squeak, boom, blab, ring. Ring is in the sound the alarm. To continue, bound root. In this word, the combination with other word is necessary. The creation is in several languages. For example, word root, how basic. For example, port, import, export, transport, portable, deporting, transportation, important. Other, for example, cocaine, Coca-Cola. The finished presentation. Thanks.